I use this for everything. How did I live without this before? ? I live in a Sprinter van full-time and was using an induction burner for cooking, but since I've gotten this little gem, I haven't used the induction burner once. This is so easy to use, and it's the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. I've been making a lot of stews, and I'll saute the onions, carrots, and meat. If I'm using meat, then add everything else, seal it, and set it for 7 minutes on high pressure. I let it release naturally and have a perfectly cooked, tasty meal every time. This gives me enough for 4 or 5 servings. I also quick soak beans the other day by covering them with water, hitting pressure for 5 minutes. Then let it release naturally and let it sit, not on keep warm, for a couple of hours. I'll often make dinner right after I reheat my lunch, and make sure the keep warm function is on. I am able to drive with it in my sink and have a hot, healthy, delicious meal waiting for me when I'm done driving. I've even baked banana bread in it. So exciting, because I don't have an oven. It turned out so good. I used one of the containers and the lid from my to-go-ware stainless steel lunch container to bake it in on the rack. Because this cooks so quickly, it is very easy on my solar system. I can reheat leftovers on Sauté in 4 minutes, and it's only drawing 67A while it's on. I did have a Vita clay that I absolutely loved for making beans, and especially bone broth, but it takes much longer to cook and is heavier. So, more battery drain, more storage space, and more weight as compared to the Instant Pot Mini, and the Mini wins on each count.